Namaste and welcome back. Today we are exploring a mantra that carries the essence of unity, learning and mutual growth, the Saha Naav Avatu mantra. This is one of the most revered mantras in the Vedas and is traditionally chanted to invoke blessings before beginning any learning process, whether it's yoga, spiritual study or a sacred teaching. Let's begin by hearing the mantra. Feel free to listen deeply or chant along with me. Saha Naav Avatu, Saha No Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karvavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's break down the mantra and its deeper meaning. Saha Naav Avatu, may we both be protected. This is a prayer for mutual protection for both teacher and student as they embark on the path of learning. Saha No Bhunaktu, may we both be nourished. This line emphasizes nourishment, not just of the body but also of the mind and spirit, as both the teacher and student share the fruits of knowledge. Saha Viryam Karvavahe, may we work together with energy and vigor. It's a reminder that learning is not passive. It requires active effort and enthusiasm from both teacher and student. Tejasvinav adhitam astu, may our learning be brilliant and enlightening. The goal of knowledge is not just to accumulate facts, but to bring about an inner light and wisdom. Ma Vidvishavahe, may we never harbor enmity or ill will towards one another. This line speaks to the importance of maintaining harmony and respect in the sacred relationship between teacher and student. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Finally, we close with a prayer for peace. Peace in the body, mind and spirit. It is a request for peace not just for ourselves but for the world around us. This mantra is more than just a prayer. It's a reflection of the sacred bond between teacher and student. In the ancient Vedic tradition, this relationship was seen as a spiritual partnership. The teacher isn't just giving information, they are sharing a part of their own soul. And the student isn't just receiving, they are opening themselves to a transformative experience. The mantra reminds us that learning happens best when there is mutual respect, humility, and a shared goal of growing in wisdom. Whether it's a yoga class, a spiritual lesson, or any form of teaching, the mantra calls us to approach learning with an open heart and mind. So why should you chant this mantra? First, to prepare for learning. Chanting this mantra at the beginning of a yoga session or any lesson prepares the mind and body to be open and receptive. It invokes protection and guidance, ensuring that both teacher and student are on the same spiritual wavelength. Second, to invoke harmony. It helps dissolve any tension, ego or misunderstanding that may arise during the learning process. It is a powerful reminder that we are all here to learn from each other and grow together. Third, to invite peace. Finally, the mantra brings a sense of peace and calm, creating an atmosphere of serenity that allows learning to flow effortlessly. Now that you understand the mantra's meaning and significance, let's practice chanting it together. You can repeat it after me or simply listen and allow the vibration of the mantra to wash over you. Om Saha Naav Avatu, Saha No Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karvavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Saha Naav Avatu, Saha no Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karvavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Saha Naav Avatu, Saha no Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karvavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take a deep breath and feel the calm energy that this mantra brings into your space. Allow it to center you, to ground you in the present moment, and to prepare you for deeper learning and understanding. Thank you for joining me in exploring the Saha Naav Avatu mantra today. This is a beautiful way to begin any practice, whether it's yoga, meditation, or a simple study session. It reminds us that learning is a journey we take together, and with the right intention, it can be a source of deep growth and transformation. If you have found this mantra helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content on mantras, yoga, and spiritual growth. Let's keep learning and growing together. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.